Motorized TV mounts are a fantastic addition to any home entertainment system. There are many products available to choose motorized TV mounts, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best motorized TV mounts from reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Vivo Motorized Fireplace TV Wall Mount. The Vivo Steel Electric TV Wall Mount is a motorized mount that goes above your fireplace for comfortable viewing. It fits 37-inch to 70 screens weighing up to 77 pounds with VISA 200 by 100 mm, 200 by 200 mm, 300 by 200 mm, 300 by 300 mm, 400 by 200 mm, 400 by 300 mm, 400 by 400 mm, or 600 by 400 mm mounting patterns. The powerful, smooth motor allows for a 101 degrees pull angle and height range up to 23-inch with just the press of a button. The mount also features a programmable remote and a 3-year manufacturer warranty. Number 2. Mounted Electric Ceiling TV Mount. The mounted electric ceiling TV mount is a motorized flip-down pitched roof mount that fits 32 to 70-inch flat-screen TVs. It features a powerful motor that securely holds up to 77 pounds of weight and can be installed in minutes. It is compatible with a wide variety of VISA patterns and can tilt up to 75 degrees. Customers love its minimalist vibe and easy setup, though some have experienced issues with the motor and plastic mounting. Number 3. Vivo Electric Ceiling TV Mount. The Vivo Electric Ceiling TV Mount is a sleek and modern mount that supports screens 23-inch to 55 in size and 66 pounds in weight with VISA mounting patterns. It is comprised of solid steel and features a radio frequency remote with height adjustment, tilt, and 3 degrees screen leveling. The mount is easy to install and fits well in any home or office environment. Number 4. Mount IT Motorized Fireplace TV Wall Mount. The Mount IT Motorized Fireplace TV Wall Mount is a heavy-duty motorized mount that can lift and lower your TV with whisper, quiet, smooth motion. It is compatible with all TVs up to 77 pounds and has a universal VISA pattern of up to 600 by 400 millimeters. It also features a programmable remote control, full motion of 101 degrees pull angle and height adjustment range of up to 21.3-inch, and manual adjustment of swivel angle of up to 25 degrees left or right. Number 5. Vision Design Motorized Swing-Out Wall Mount Bracket. The Vision Motorized Swing-Out Wall Mount Bracket is a great choice for mounting your 32-inch, 65 TV. It includes an infrared remote control and 2 programmable memory settings, allowing you to go to your favorite position with a button press. It is VISA compatible and can open up to 90 degrees, with cable management to hide any cables attached to displays. It has a powerful motor and can hold up to 88 pounds. It can be programmed to be controlled by the TV controller, eliminating the need for 2 independent controllers.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.